What are the two words that we
Doodles.
use? Yeah, do and does. We make, yes, we make the questions in simple present tense with using do and does. How do we use do? What are the pronouns or what are the nouns that we can use with using do? How do we use do? Do කොහොමද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ?
I do homework.
I, you, we, they. Otherwise, when the subject is plural.
He, she.
No, not he, she, it, pute. Do we use with I, you, we, they. Otherwise, with the plural pronoun. Flowers, dogs, schools, countries, babies, children. Can we say children's?
Teacher.
Children, yes. We can't say children's. Children. Child is singular. Children is plural. So we use do with the plural nouns. Clear? Got it what I'm saying? තේරෙනවද teacher කියලා දෙනවා පුතේ?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher.
How do we use does in simple present tense questions? Does,
This. This.
how do we use does? He, very good. He, she, it. Otherwise, when the subject is singular, plural.
Singular.
Singular. Good job. Nice. When the subject is singular, we use does. Otherwise, when we take the pronouns, he, she, it, we use do with the plural nouns. Otherwise, with the plural pronouns, including I. අපි I එකත් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ do. I කියන්නේ එක්කෙනයි. නමුත් අපි Iත් එක්කත් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ do. එහෙම නැත්නම් plural pronouns, otherwise plural nouns එකත් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ do පුතේ. Right? Do you? Do they? Do we? Right? Do flowers? Do children? Do teachers? Right? Do grade 3 students in the school?
Do.
Yes? Okay, we use do with whatever the noun in plural. Otherwise, the pronoun is in plural, right? Does we use with the singular pronouns or the singular nouns?
She. You.
You know, yeah, he, she, it. Does he, does she, does it, does a flower, does a dog, can I? Does a child, does Risoli, does Setuka, does Benuri, that mean only one. Right? Does the school තේරුණාද?
Yes.
තේරුණා නේද?
Teacher.
Right. Yes, Baba. Yes. Who talk to me now?
Teacher, I told yes.
Ah, you told yes. Ah, very good. Now let's do this negative form. Negative කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? නෑ. ඔන්න අපි කියනවා නෑ කියලා. හරිද? මම කියනවා මම උදේ 8යි කාලට ඉස්කෝලේ යන්නේ නැහැ. මම පාරේ සෙල්ලම් කරන්නේ නැහැ. අපි පාරේ සෙල්ලම් කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඇය පාක් එක වටේ දුවන්නේ නැහැ. ක්‍රිසෝලි ඉස්කෝලේට පයින් ඇවිදගෙන යන්නේ නැහැ. ඒගොල්ලන් අනිත් අය ගැන කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඔන්න දැන් නැහැ කියලා කියනවා. එතකොට අපි නෙගටිව් ෆෝම් එකේදීත් කවුද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ සිම්පල් ප්‍රසන්ට් ටෙන්ස් වල? do does. කවුද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ? do එහෙම නැත්නම්
Does.
does. Yes. We say number 1. දැන් පුතාලා උදේ 8යි කාලෙටද ඉස්කෝලේ යන්නේ? නෑ නේද?
Teacher, Paula teacher.
Huh? At what time you go to school in the morning?
6:20.
To the school? I'm not
6:15.
asking 6:15 from the house, no, from your place, no, right? You are leaving from your home at 6:15, is it?
Yes.
At what time you go to the school?
7. No.
At 7 a.m.
At 6 p.m.
Yes, teacher. 7.
Like 7, no? Right? 6 a.m. Yeah, I hope that you're leaving from your home. Am I right? ගෙදරින් යන්නේ උදේ 6ට. ඉස්කෝලේට යනවා 7ට. එහෙමද?
Yes.
Yes. 8ට ඉස්කෝලේ යන්නේ නැහනේ. අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් මම 8යි කාලෙට නැත්නම් 8ට ඉස්කෝලේ යන්නේ නැහැ. හරිසේ? I do not go to school
Going
at
to school at 8
quarter
a.m.
past 8, otherwise 8:15 a.m. ඊට පස්සේ අපි කියනවා අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පාරේ සෙල්ලම් කරන්නේ නැහනේ, දුවන්නේ නැහනේ නේද? සෙල්ලම් කරන්නේ නැහනේ. ඒක හොඳ නැහනේ නේද? Yes, we don't play on the road, no. So we can say
I'm
we
playing.
not play on the road. අපි සෙල්ලම්
Teacher, I'm
කරනවා කොහොමද
playing the
කියන්නේ?
road.
affirmative නම්
Playing.
දැන් negative කියන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. අපි තියනවා කියලා කියන්නේ කොහොමද? affirmative form. මොකක්ද ඒකට කියන්නේ? affirmative form. මේ වචන කටට පුරුදු කරගන්න පුතේ. ලේසි චූටි කාලේ ඉඳලා ඉගෙන ගත්තම. මොනවා හරි දෙයක් තියනවා කියන අපි කියන affirmative. නැහැ කියලා කියනවා මොකද්ද? negative.
Negative.
කොහොමද කියන්නේ? negative form.
Negative.
Yes. එතකොට negative form එකෙන් කොහොමද කියන්නේ අපි? do not, does not. කොහොමද කියන්නේ?
Do not, does not.
Yeah. Do not with the verb, does not plus verb. මම මෙතන plus mark එක දාලා තියෙන්නේ with කියන තේරුම දෙන්න. දැන් කොහොමද කියන්නේ මං උදේ 8යි කාලේට ඉස්කෝලේ යන්නේ නැහැ. හරිසේ?
I
I
do
I do not going to school
if
at
at
15.
8:15 a.m.
Good job. Number 2. අපි පාරේ සෙල්ලම් කරන්නේ නැහැ. හරිසේ?
we do not play the road.
in the road. The road.
Not in පුතේ. On the road. ඇයි අපි in කියන්නේ නැත්තේ? In කියන්නේ යම්කිසි දෙයක් ඇතුලේ නම්. In the bottle, in the box, in the house. ඇතුලේ. තුල කියන තේරුම එන්නේ in. On කියන්නේ මත. නැත්නම් උඩ. දැන් මෙතන කියන්නේ පාරේ කියන තේරුම. හරිද? අපි පාරේ උඩනේ ඇවිදගෙන යන්නේ, පාරේ ඇතුලේ ඇවිදගෙන යනවද? නෑනේ. So we say we do not play on the road. Say
We do not
We do not play on the road.
on the road.
අපිට මේක contracted form එකකින් කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. Contracted කියන්නේ කෙටි කරලා කියනවා. Do not, don't. Does not,
Don't.
doesn't. We can say I don't go to school at 8:15 a.m. We don't play on the road. Like that.
Teacher, but I'm playing in the road.
Don't
road.
play on the road. It's a very bad habit and it's very dangerous because of there are a lot of vehicles on the road, Pute. Right? All the vehicles are driving on the road, no? It's moving on the road. It's driving all here and there. It's always going somewhere. So if you run on the road, it's very dangerous. So don't run or don't play on the road hereafter. Okay? Right. Number 3. She does not run around the park. ඇය පාක් එක වටා දුවන්නේ නැහැ. පාක් එක වටේ දුවන්නේ නැහැ නම් එක තැනක අම්මා ළඟ ඉඳන් තමයි දුවන්නේ නේද? පුතාලත් එහෙම නේද? පාක් එකට ගියාම අම්මයි නැත්තම් තාත්තයි ළඟ නේද ඉන්නේ? හැම තැනම දුවන්න යනවද? නෑනේ නේද? එහෙම දුවන්න හොඳ නෑ නේද? There are a lot of strangers everywhere. Right? They can harm you.
What is mean by strangers?
Yeah. Strangers mean පුතේ අපි දන්නේ නැති මිනිස්සු ඉන්නවනේ. නේද? එතකොට එතනදී කරදරයක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. කවුරු හරි උස්සගෙන ගියොත් එහෙම අම්මයි තාත්තයි දන්නේ නැතුව. නේද? අපි දන්නේ නැහනේ. නොදන්න අය කතා කරලා එන්න බබා කියලා චොක්ලට් එකක් දීලා කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම කතා කරොත් යනවද චොක්ලට් එක කන්න? යනවද? නෑ අපි යන්නේ නෑ නේද? ලොලිපොප් එකක් පෙන්නුවොත් යනවද? No, we don't go. Right? So don't run around the park. You can always play around your parents. අම්මයි තාත්තයි ඉන්න තැන ඒ අවට සෙල්ලම් කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද චූටි බබාලට? Right. Can you read number 3 බබාලා? She does not run around the park. Say.
Around the park.
He
All
does
of
not
you?
run around the park.
He does not run around the park.
Very good.
Not
Number
play
4.
on
I use this name, one of my students, but you can say his name, right? Seniru does not walk to the school. Seniru පාසලට දැන් අපි පයින් යනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. ඇවිදගෙන යනවා කියලා කියනවා නේද? එතකොට අපි කොහොමද කියන්නේ පයින් යන්නේ නැහැ. How to say? Seniru does not walk to the school.
school.
All of you say?
Seniru walk to the
Does not walk to the school.
school.
Everybody, Seniru does not walk to the school.
Seniru does not walk to the school.
Right. Number 5. They do not talk about the others. ඒගොල්ලන් අනිත් අය ගැන කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද මේ? Like gossips. Gossips කියන්නේ මොනවද පුතේ? ඕපදූප. කතා කරන්න හොඳ නෑනේ නේද? අපි අනිත් අය ගැන කතා කරන්න හොඳ නැහැ. නේද? We can talk about ours. About
Kelang.
us. නේද? අපිට අපි ගැන කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. It's not good to talk about the others. So we can say they do not talk about the others. Say they do not talk about the others. Right. Repeat Babala, number 5.
They do not talk about the others.
Right. All of you read number 1. I do not go to school at.
Not go to school at 8:15 a.m.
Good. Number 2. Read number 2. Onel.
Do
Get back
not
to
play
work.
on the road.
We do not play on the road. Read number 3.
She does not around the park.
Yeah, she does not run around the park. Number 4.
Seniru does not walk to the school.
Good. Number 5.
They do not talk about
Yeah, they do not talk about the others. Now write this note in your grammar book. Pute, take your CR grammar books. Now write it down. Right? Before that, let's write the date on.
Birds and animals live in trees. Trees give us fruit, flower, and shade. We should plant more trees. Protect them. Thank you.
Very good. Good job. Nice. Who's the next? Pisoli. Who told that? Yes, Etuki.
A tree is a big plant. It gives us oxygen to breathe. Birds and animals live in trees. Trees give us flowers and plant trees and protect them.
Very good. Nice. Good job. Metuka?
A tree. Tree is a big plant. It gives us oxygen to breathe. Birds and animals live in trees. Trees give us food, flowers, and shade. We should plant more trees and protect them.
Animals live in trees. Trees give us fruits, flowers,
Finish.
shade.
Yeah, good. Nice. Anil? Setuka? Anil, Setuka, Prisoli. Setuka, yeah.
A tree is a big plant. It gives us oxygen to breathe. Birds and animals live in trees.
Please give us.
Trees give us fruits and flowers and shade.
We should.
Plant more trees and protect them.
Wow, nice. Good job. Yay. Who's the next? Prisoli or Anil? Shiny also there. I didn't see Shiny yet. Shiny, can you give the speech, Pute?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, let's
Actually-
start.
A tree is a big plant. It gives us oxygen to breathe. Birds and animals live in trees.
Live in trees, Pute. Birds and
Live in
animals live in trees. Yes, because it's present tense now. No, we can't say live in. Live in mean this time, at the time we speak. අපි කතා කරන වෙලාවේ ජීවත් වෙනවා නම් තමයි ing දාන්නේ. verb එකට. හරිද? මතකයි නේද ටීචර් ගන්නවා. present continuous. Yeah. So this is yeah, they usually live in trees no හැමදාම ඒගොල්ලන් ජීවත් වෙන්නේ trees වල. So we talk about those things in present tense. Right. Proceed, baby. Trees give us
Flowers and fruits and shade.
okay.
We should plant more trees.
Very good. Nice. More trees and protect them, no? Yes. Good. Good job. Anil?
A tree is a big plant. It gives us oxygen. Birds and animals live in trees. Trees give us fruits, flowers, and shade. We should plant more trees and protect them.
Nice. Good job. Prisoni Baba?
A tree is a big plant. It
Gives us
us oxygen to
breathe.
Bees.
Birds
Bird and animals live in trees.
Trees give us
Trees give us
fruits,
fruits,
flowers,
flowers,
and shade.
shade.
Yeah. We should plant Where's Crisoli? Crisoli, are you there? Crisoli, are you there, Puti? Chudi Baba, I can't see you. I can't see your face. Are you there? Chudi Buddha, Crisoli, are you there? Yes, Crisoli. Yeah. Didn't you practice that? දැන් ඕම බෑ. දැන් අපි practice කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ලොකුයිනේ නේද? Now you are in grade 3. හරිද? දැන් පුළුවන් පුතේ 5 sentences. Now you have school holiday. නේද? Now you have time to practice. පුළුවන් නේද practice කරන්න? අනිත් යාළුවෝ වගේම practice කරමු. හරිද? අමතක කරන්නේ නැතුව ටීචර් දෙන වැඩ ටික ඒ විදියටම කරන්න. එතකොට හොඳට මාක්ස් ගන්න පුළුවන් කියලා දෙන දේවල් තේරෙනවා. අමතක වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හොඳයි නේද එතකොට? That's good, no? There. So that's why I'm always telling you to what? Practice. Practice English every day. I always tell for all of my children to practice, not only for you. Even for grade 10, 11, Ayas and Akis also, I'm always tell them to practice. හරිද? ඔයගලන්ට විතරනේ මේ ලොකු අයියලා අක්කලටත් මං කියන්නේ practice කරන්න කියලා. Risoli, practice and give the same essay on the next week. දෙන්නම ඕනේ මට. නොදී ඉන්න බෑ. මොකද රිසෝලි විතරක් නොදී හිටියම එතකොට රිසෝලි backward වෙනවා. මං කැමති නෑ ඒකට. රිසෝලි අනිත් බබාලාත් එක්කම වැඩ කරගෙන ඉස්සරහට එන්න ඕනේ. පස්සට යන්න බෑ. හරිද පුතේ? Okay නේද?
Okay.
Agree? Okay, done?
The tree is a
High five. Yeah, putte.
I don't.
You don't know? What do you not know? Right. It's only practice, huh? Atarin pa, alagane yamu. Right. Okay. Paper, glue, and long string. My father bought it for me from the shop.
I like to fly my kite in the park.
Wait, baby. I like to fly my kite in the park on windy days.
I like to fly my kite in the sky.
It flies high in the sky like a colorful bird.
Bird flies high in the sky. Bird.
I feel very happy when I play with my kite.
I feel very happy when I with my kite. My kite.
Yeah, Setuki, can you read this, Pute? Setuki Baba, shall we read this? I'll help you. Read this number 1, Pute. I have a beautiful
I have a beautiful kite.
red and blue kite.
blue kite. A kite
is made with
made with
thin sticks,
Is
paper,
paper,
glue,
glue,
and long string.
and
String.
string.
Number 3, Pute.
My father
Bought it
got it from
for me.
the shop.
Yeah. Number 4.
I like to
Fly
fly my kite in the
park
park on windy day.
Nice. Number 5. It
It
flies
flies
high
high in the sky
like a
like a
colorful
colorful
bird.
bird.
6.
I
I feel
feel
very happy
very happy
when I play.
when I play with my kite.
Nice. Good job, Chrysoli. Next.
I have a
Beautiful
red, red and blue kite. A
kite
kite is
made
made with
thin sticks,
thin stick, paper, glue, and
long
on
string.
string. My father
Bought
bought it
for me
for me the shop.
from the shop.
So I like to fly my kite in the
Park
park on windy day. It will
flies
fly
high
high
in the
sky. In the sky. I
like
like
no, Pute. It flies high in the sky like a colorful bird.
like a colorful bird. I will feel
Very happy
very happy
when I
play.
children make this correction. I'm
I
sorry. Do this correction. PLA vaya play.
Please.
इतनी छोटी mistake है आपके नाम.
my kite.
Yeah, very good. Good job, Trisoli. Nice.